Hi, have you ever considered all the things that you can do with your mouth? And have you ever considered what all of those things are called in Swedish? Well, let me just say that is gonna work that out for you right now. These are 30 things that you can do with your mouth in Swedish.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Alright, I have my sidekick with me and we are going to demonstrate these things right now. And the first natural one, of course, is to le. Att le. Another thing you can do, and my cat does it all the time, is bita. Bita. A most natural thing we do is andas. Andas. Something you could also do is skrika. Skrika. If you have a friend there or you have a Mario like I do behind me, you could prata. Prata. If you have something that is tasty, you can slicka. Slicka. The next three words are kind of similar, but they do have some differences. The first one is pussa. Pussa, which is like a... Then we have kyssa. Kyssa. And then we have hångla. Hångla. If you are tired, you could gäspa. Gäspa. If you don't feel very good, you could spy. Spy. If you're a certain kind of singer or a cat, you could morra. Morra. Another natural thing is, of course, to vissla. Vissla. If you're really feeling happy, you could sjunga. Sjunga. When you put food in your mouth, you have to tugga. Tugga. If you want to, for example, blow out candles, you could blåsa. Blåsa. If someone's making a lot of noise, you can hyscha. Hyscha. If for whatever reason you need to do this, you could spotta. Spotta. If you're really hungry, you might need to dregla. Dregla. If you're really tired of someone or something, you can sucka. Sucka. If you're feeling relieved, you can pusta ut. Pusta ut. If something is funny or very, very sad, you can skratta. Skratta. Then you have something you technically don't do with your mouth, and that is buktala. Buktala. And the English language, I don't think, has the verb to do that, to belly speak. But there's a word for a person who is that. Another natural thing, of course, is to äta. Äta. And another natural thing, of course, is to dricka. Dricka. Another thing you can do with your mouth is gurgla. Gurgla. For whatever reason you might need to do this or want to do this, you could suga. Suga. Something you could do with your mouth. And when you eat something, you of course have to svälja. Svälja. This is an unintentional thing that you do, and that is to hicka. Hicka. And the last of the 30 things you can do with your mouth in Swedish is to yla. Yla. So there you go, 30 things that you can do with your mouth, and what's it called in Swedish. Don't forget to follow me on the Swedish language on Instagram, where I post daily stuff about Sweden, the Swedish language and Swedish culture. I will see you there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.